Hello everyone, in this session let us see how to get the first repeated and non-repeated characters from a given string. So let us take one sample string so that you will be understanding. So I am going to take here one string. For example, let us take here Java development. So in from this let us get the first repeating character as well as first non-repeating character. So initially let us see what are those characters and later let us see how to write the logic to get them. So by seeing this one we can tell like non-repeating character will be, so J, let us check J is not repeating, so J will be the non-repeating first character. And what is the repeating character? What is the repeating character? So if we take A is repeating again, so A will be the first repeating character and J will be the first non-repeating character. To get these characters as output we should be writing the logic further. So further what I am going to write is, I will be taking one character, I will be checking with all the characters presented in a string. So if it is existing once again, I will be getting that occurrence of that particular character. If that occurrence is only one, then I can consider that is the non-repeating character. If that occurrence is more than one, then I can consider that is the repeating character. So for that what I am going to write the logic is taking the character, checking with all the characters. If anywhere it is equal, I will be taking some variable and then I will be incrementing that. After all iterations, I will be getting occurrence of each and every character, because I need to get the occurrence. Based on the occurrence only I can tell that whether that is repeating or non-repeating. That is what first we need to write for the logic. To get occurrence of character, based on the occurrence we can tell that is the first repeating or non-repeating we can tell. So in the first character I will be printing, later I will be breaking the loop. That is one. Let us write the logic. So I am going to write in the Eclipse. So in the Eclipse let us create one class here. I am using the shortcut called Control N for creating, and then try to get the class here, and then let us give the class name. And class name I have given, checking for the main method, and then click on the finish button. So now let us take one sample string here. Same string I am going to take. Some Java development I have taken. In this, first repeating is A, first non-repeating will be J. To get that, initially we should be getting the occurrence of the character. So to get the occurrence of the character, we need to iterate all the characters in a string. For that, let us write the for loop. So for loop I need to write from the first character to the last character. So I am starting with the 0, means index number 0 means first character, referring to the first character, and last character will be the s dot length -1. I have written the less than. Later let us increment the variable. So this is to get the occurrence of the character. This will be giving the J first. I will be taking the J, that particular character I need to check with all the characters. So one particular character I need to check all the characters in a given string. So for that I need to take one more for loop. Before taking that for loop, let us initialize one variable called count, that will be referring to the occurrence. So let us write one more for loop here. So this for loop, let us initialize with Z, or is already available. Let us initialize with Z. Say J also, write from the first character to the last character, and then increment the J variable. So now I have taken initially J is there. I equals to 0 means I am trying to refer to the J. If J is equal to any character, I will be incrementing the count. So that after all iterations of this for loop, I will be getting that occurrence of that particular character. So let us write the condition here. So to get the character at given index, we are having one inbuilt method called caret. Let us write the same. So caret, give the I equals to s dot caret of j. If any character, the given character is equal to any of the character, let us increment the count value. So after all iterations of this for loop, I will be getting that count, means occurrence. So after that, let us write the if statement. In the if condition, take the count equals to 1. Means occurring only once, not repeating. If it is only 1, let us print that. So directly take the println statement and then write here first non-repeating character is, let us write s dot caret of I. That is the first non-repeating character. So this I want only once, later I don't want the second character. So just directly write the break statement. Just execute this program. You will be getting the first non-repeating character is j. In the same way, count equals to 1 I have given. If the count is greater than 1, means occurred more than one time, that actually refers the repeating character. So if it is greater than 1, that will be returning the repeating character. Save this one and then execute once again. First repeating character is A. So that we can get both first repeating as well as first non-repeating. If at all we are not giving this break statement, again and again it will be getting iterated. That is what I have in the break statement here.